I'm in Spain, and I'm doing a healing. I'm a healer in practice. And during the healing, Dr. Joe asked to put our hands on our hearts, and I felt somebody's hands on the small of my back for a very long time. And the energy coming off the small of my back was immense, and I could feel it in my heart, and it caused me to just have tears running down my face. And it was just an amazing experience. So I asked my team leader, hey, after the healing, was there anybody behind me? And he said, no, why? And I said, because I felt like someone's hands, palm of their hands were on the small of my back. Well, after that, I went to put on my coat. And as I did that, I recognized that a shoulder injury I had had from kiteboarding, 3 to 6 months that I just thought wasn't that big of a deal and was just living with the pain, was completely gone. And I think that was about maybe 3 weeks to a month ago now. And the pain in my shoulder is completely gone. So that's pretty exciting.